Let's make chicken shawarma cheese toast for Ramadan. You can freeze these for up to a month. You can air fry these or you can deep fry these, whatever you want. So I've taken some boneless chicken breast here and I've cut it into thin strips. Then I added some Greek yogurt and lemon juice and tomato paste, salt, black pepper, garlic granules, onion granules, turmeric powder, paprika, cumin powder, and some tahini. You can skip tahini if you want, but I like the flavor, so I just added that. Mix everything and let the chicken marinate for an hour. You can pan fry the shawarma, you can oven bake it, or you can make it in the air fryer as well. Cook the chicken very well. You can cover it to make sure that it's fully cooked. It takes roughly about 15 to 20 minutes because these are very thin chicken strips. Then I've taken some white bread slices. You can use brown bread, you can use 50-50. Then I spread some mayonnaise on one slice. Flatten the slices before you add the filling and mayonnaise. Add the chicken, add the cheese. I added mozzarella cheese. Then make sure to seal the edges of the sandwich. Then I used 2 eggs and half cup of milk here to make the egg wash, and then I used golden breadcrumbs to crumb the sandwich. I deep fried them because Ayan loves deep fried sandwiches, but you can definitely air fry them and enjoy.